Yeah, I broke the glass. I'm in here.
Huh?
I'm in here.
Okay.
Got a great angle. I'm being actively suppressed right now. That's all right. What?
Those guys? Oh,
yeah, I'm getting tons of them right now.
Nice.
Yeah, it's got a great angle right here. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good angle, huh? Oh, see the guy in the window far?
I can't get him. I'm looking down that way. I'm not hitting anyone to that way.
Oh, that was a crazy shot. I don't see any in the trailer. Oh yeah, there's one.
There's one. He can't get me though unless they push right. Oh, they know where I'm at. They just can't get me.
Yeah.
On my last mag too, so.
Yeah, me too.
Like, only heard of mid caps.
Oh.
Boop.
Yep, there we go. He was a little bit.
I didn't get him. The dude on the white, I didn't get him. You got him. Yeah.
He was kind of nonchalantly walking up. Yeah, there's more guys in the blue X building. Oh, there's.
Oh yeah, no, there's a couple. They're all going far left now because they know. I know I'm here too. And there's a sniper dude right there too, in the blue X.
I only have fucking 15, 16 rounds.
Dude in green. Back at this building.
In the brown.
Yeah. I don't know why they keep going to the same place every single time. Good job, good job, good job. Waves.
Well, somebody got him.
Yeah, I didn't. Ooh, watch out, we got someone. I mean, the BBs are falling before the building, but still.
Right. I think I just got hit. I don't know if it was ricocheted, but.
jet chase by horse papers. You guys trying to stop that jet chase to preserve your and prevent that draw from happening, guys. 30 more seconds, 30 more seconds.